Hi friends. In this video, you will see my review and room tour of a premier room in Highlands Hotel, Resorts World Genting. Premier category rooms are one level above the base category in this hotel, which is Deluxe. Compared to Deluxe, you get some extra amenities in premier rooms. I will show you what those differences are, and what all you will see in a premier room in Highlands Hotel. Let's begin. The first difference you notice in a premier room is the bed, which looks more colorful, inviting, and has a bedroom bench at the end of it. The second major amenity in this room is the air conditioning. It is a good feature, trust me. And if you like Nespresso coffee, there is a small machine in the room, and they supply some basic quality coffee capsules every day. The regular electric kettle is there as well, if you want to avoid using Nespresso. A few water bottles are provided daily, and one can ask for more if needed. The rest of the amenities in the room include a flat screen TV, an empty mini fridge, an iron with ironing board, a digital locker, and a recliner by the window. The narrow side board in front of the bed can be used as a work desk, if needed. There are electricity sockets here, and also next to the bed. The bathroom is decent sized, with a separate shower enclosure. It has basic amenities, and no bathtub. You get a choice of a king bed, or twin beds, subject to availability. All in all, it is a comfortable room, and is a definite improvement over their basic category rooms. The check-in time is 3 p.m., and the check-out time is 12 p.m. Early check-in and late check-out are possible, when allowed by the front office staff. With that, I have covered the essential details. For any more information, or to share your experience, please write a comment below. I will respond as soon as possible. And consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video. You may also want to subscribe to my channel for similar travel videos on Malaysia and other countries. Many thanks for watching.